Visit relatives. Eat traditional food. Go sledding. Decorate Christmas tree. Build a snowman. Receive presents. Go skiing. Watch Christmas films. Set off fireworks. Try a new recipe. Go ice skating. Make resolutions.